So let's talk a little bit about incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is when one allele is not dominant over another, resulting in a blending of the two phenotypes. For example, if you take a red snapdragon and cross it with a white snapdragon, all the offspring will be pink. Let's look at a snapdragon Punnett square, where R equals red and W equals white. If we cross a red snapdragon to the white snapdragon, you can see that each offspring gets one red allele from the parent on the top of the Punnett square, and each offspring gets one W or white allele from the parent on the left side of the Punnett square, making all of the offspring pink. Thank you for listening.